Today's Snickerdoodle cookies are made with almond flour and they come from the Clean Treats cookbook, and I know that this is one recipe that you're gonna really enjoy. So let's get started. Now let's make the dough by combining the almond flour, coconut flour, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Now in a separate large bowl, I'm gonna add the coconut oil, peanut or almond butter, maple syrup, and sugar. We're gonna whip this mixture with a hand mixer on medium speed until it's nice and smooth. Now, by the way, below this video, I'm gonna have all the ingredient measurements for you, as well as a link to the cookbook. To the mixture, let's add the egg and vanilla and mix it on low speed until it's nice and smoothly combined. We're gonna slowly add the flour mixture to the wet ingredients bowl and stir it to combine until a nice firm dough forms. Now this dough needs to be chilled for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's nice and firm. While the dough is chilling, we're gonna make that sugary topping for our cookies in a small bowl by mixing some brown sugar and cinnamon. Once the dough is chilled, I am going to preheat the oven while I form the cookies. I'm gonna use a cookie scooper, or you can use a spoon and roll it with your hands as well and form a ball of dough. One by one, you're gonna dip the balls of dough and roll it in the cinnamon and sugar mixture and place it on a lined baking sheet. You're gonna repeat this process with the rest of the dough until you fill your baking sheet. Now, for today, I'm just gonna make 6 to show you and bake the rest later. But first, I'm going to flatten the cookies with a large spoon before baking. In the oven they go for 11 to 13 minutes until they're nice and golden brown on the outside. The cinnamon sugar has baked right in and they have that perfectly soft texture I just love. If you enjoy almond flour recipes, make sure to check out this next video. See you guys next time.